The newest Amazon Fire TV Cube is Amazon's most advanced streaming media player yet, blending the power of smart home voice control with top-tier performance. At its core, this third-generation Fire TV Cube features a hexa-core processor, making it the fastest Fire TV device available. It delivers 4K Ultra HD resolution with support for Dolby Vision, HDR, and HDR10+, ensuring breathtaking picture quality with vibrant colors and remarkable contrast. But what truly sets this model apart is its integration of AI-powered Fire TV Search, an intelligent, context-aware feature that helps you find content quickly and naturally. Whether you say, "Show me action movies with Denzel Washington," or "What should I watch tonight?" it understands the context and delivers precise, curated results. Hands-free control is built in with Alexa. No need to touch a remote, just say, "Alexa, play The Mandalorian," and the Fire TV Cube responds instantly. Thanks to its far-field voice recognition and 8 built-in microphones, the Cube hears your commands even with background noise or when the TV is on. This makes it the only Fire TV model with full hands-free capability. Beyond content streaming, you can control smart home devices like lights, cameras, or thermostats, check the weather, or even order groceries, all with your voice. Connectivity also sees a significant upgrade with Wi-Fi 6E support. This means faster, more stable internet, especially in crowded households with many devices, and lower latency for streaming high bitrate content. For those preferring wired setups, it also includes a built-in Ethernet port, giving you flexible options depending on your network. The design has been refined as well. The cube shape features a sleek, glossy finish that looks modern and premium, and its compact size makes it easy to integrate into your entertainment center. It comes equipped with an updated Alexa voice remote, giving you traditional control when needed, along with shortcut buttons for Prime Video, Netflix, and other popular services. In terms of audio, the Fire TV Cube supports Dolby Atmos, delivering cinematic surround sound when paired with compatible audio systems. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or streaming a live concert, the immersive sound quality brings the experience to life. This latest generation also brings seamless integration across Amazon's ecosystem. It works effortlessly with Ring cameras, Echo speakers, Fire tablets, and other Alexa-enabled devices, allowing you to, for instance, view your front door camera on your TV or initiate multi-room audio with a voice command. It also includes HDMI input, allowing you to connect cable boxes or game consoles and control them via Alexa, making it a true central hub for all your entertainment devices. Content-wise, the Fire TV Cube supports all major streaming platforms including Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, Apple TV+, HBO Max, YouTube, and more.